how to set up Discord welcome messages and rules. So firstly, on your web browser, go to discord.com and log into your account. To set up welcome messages, you will need to download this bot. Go to the search bar on a new tab and type in Me6 Discord bot. At the top, you will see this link, click on it. To get this on your Discord, click on Add to Dashboard. After that, an additional page like this will open. On this page at the top, your account will be signed in as default. If it's not you, click on Not You. Now scroll down to the bottom of this terms and condition and click on Authorize. After that, your Discord account and this bot will get linked together. Once they get linked, you will have the feature to set up welcome messages. It will be available under plugins. If you click on the section Moderation and Server Management, you will see the Welcome plugin option. Once you add this to your Discord, you will be able to automate messages. It is a very simple process, and additionally, there are steps given if you scroll down. That's all for today. Thank you.